your definition of success?
Lumang tanong na.
Okay. As a super Serena, my definition of success is the one who is successful enough in his doing. One thing that I just want to tell that success is not only for the people who have a lot of things that misunderstood. It somehow success make you more uplifting.
Okay. English ka pa.
Uplift niya.
Okay.
Bisaya kasi siya. Hindi siya marunong magtagalog. Bihira.
Ano ba yung katabi mo?
Kausap naman kasi ni Sarah. Nahihirap na kabisa.